Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the immediate first actions. You must identify the running container name or ID and then snapshot any attached volumes so data stays safe. Once done, confirm which image or Docker file you'll update, including exact tag and registry. Make sure to have Docker CLI access and sufficient permissions. You'll need to pull or build the new image next. Don't skip backups. This prevents rollback pain if the update introduces regressions. Next, build or pull the updated image and validate it before replacing production. If you build, run Docker build with the proper tag, otherwise pull the exact registry image. Once acquired, launch a disposable test container and execute smoke tests that mimic critical flows. Examine logs, health checks, and exposed ports to catch breaking changes. If tests fail, iterate on the Docker file or configuration. If they pass, tag or push the image to your registry, so the updated artifact. Finally, perform the deployment steps and include a clear recovery plan. Stop and remove the old container while preserving volumes, then start the new container with identical mounts, network, and environment variables. Once running, monitor logs, health endpoints, and service behavior for at least one full release cycle. If something breaks, revert immediately by redeploying the previous image tag and restoring volumes from your backup. A key troubleshooting tip: check file permission mismatches and environment variable changes first. They cause most breakages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.